Holiday Affair was hardly a typical role for Robert Mitchum. He generally played darker and more complicated characters in film noirs, war movies, and westerns. But Mitchum had a good reason for agreeing to this light holiday romance. At the time, he was making headlines for his arrest and brief incarceration on a marijuana possession charge. Both the studio and Mitchum himself were concerned the arrest would hurt his image, diminish his box office appeal. So Mitchum jumped at the chance to play this wholesome role. But as it turned out, Robert Mitchum didn't really need to worry. No one in America seemed surprised that a guy like Bob Mitchum might not always follow the exact letter of the law. His edge, his apparent defiance, that was a big part of his allure. Up next, Best Picture Oscar winner from 1959, often called the last of the great MGM musicals.
Today on Turner Classic Movies, Maurice Chevalier thanks heaven for little girls like Gigi. Then Leonard Maltin joins Ben Mankiewicz to introduce Treasures from the Disney Vault animated shorts. And a Disney Imagineer opens the book on the Disneyland story.
Visit shop.tsim.com and